Okay, guys, good morning, lovely people. This is Dr. Harmonics from Ghana, and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. And if this is your first time visiting my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. And please turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. So basically, the reason why I'm here is to, first of all, talk about the upcoming Smart Forex trading course, and also take a good perspective, or take a look at the chart and see what is happening in our VIP group and what we are expecting in the upcoming days. Okay, so as you know, my name is Dr. Harmonics, your favorite mentor, and it's all about the STR strategy. So don't forget to just follow what I'm doing now. And there are people who have been learning a lot from my daily analysis. So it will be very prudent to stay glued to this till the end and see this amazing analysis and what I have for you. Okay, so fast forward, we have an upcoming forex course which will start on Monday. It's not an online session this time. We are not doing it online. Those in Ghana will have the opportunity to enjoy my free forex course, and we are starting on the I think coming Monday. Okay, so we have the morning session and the evening session. It's absolutely free for everyone to join. So if you don't have any idea about, or you don't have any clue about what forex is, you want to look at how to trade without emotions, and if you also want to look at how to analyze the chart with price action. So this is what the beginner's course is all about, the beginner and intermediate course. It will give you a strong foundation as to how to approach the market, okay? The psychology behind buying and selling of instruments on the financial market. So that is it. And once we are done with the course, if you want to progress to the advanced course, then you might want to enroll in the STR strategy course. The strategy course was coined from my 13 years experience on the market, where I'm able to combine about 5 theories together to get a confluence to either buy and sell on the market. And that has proved in my signal group as to how trades are being or signals are being given, and is yielding the results that you are seeing in the signal group. I would also put a caution that, guys, if I give a signal, I'm basically a swing trader. Make sure you stay, or you use the exact stop loss and take profit that I give in the signal group. And if I give about 6 signals or 10 signals, you should know that even if 2 hit the stop loss, about 8 of them will be in profit. So just follow whatever I'm giving you and don't alter it. When it's being validated, I'll update the signal group so that you can also update it yourself. Okay, so follow Who No Road, follow whatever I'm doing, and you are going to be consistent over the period of time. Forex is all about losing and gaining. At the end of the day, the winning, even if you have a 50-50 win and lose, the risk to reward ratio will make the difference. Okay, so stick to whatever, and don't be loading your trades. Don't be adding 15 trades you blow your account. So just whenever you are supposed to add on new trades, I would inform you to add on a new trade, because with STR strategy, we have specific areas that we add new trades. we use the Elliott wave corrections to add on new trades. So you don't just add new trades anyhow, okay? Yesterday we had a very good setups. We have very good setups, but unfortunately we had a very good correction. The corrections were basically triangle corrections, and triangle corrections takes a very long time to form. So yesterday people were adding on it. Come on, I'm not a god of the market. I give signals, yes, it might go my way, but it might take some time. So just don't be loading. When we are supposed to add on new trades, I'll inform you guys. Don't be greedy on the market. Just stay true to the market and you're going to make money. Okay, so as I said, if this is your first time visiting my channel, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, smash the like button and press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. This is Dr. Harmonics, your favorite forex mentor from Ghana. Okay, so let's roll on to the chat. And please, those we have a trading floor, premium trading floor. We gave a free session this week. I'm hoping that today we might do the last session for the free session, and I'm even thinking to do it free forever. But there are certain things that goes into it. But let's see. We'll continue on Saturday. So Saturday we'll be trading volatility index. So if you are in Ghana, you might want to visit my office, the trading GFI trading floor, and milk some money to form volatility index. Okay, so I would invite everybody to come to the trading floor tomorrow. Make sure you get an account under our IB from Deriv, and you are entitled to enjoy this free service tomorrow. Let's make some money so that you go home. Okay, let's roll on to the chart and see what is so amazing that the chart is offering us. Those who are patient will make some money, and it is what it is. So let's roll on to the chart and see the amazing things that okay, so thank you very much. Thank you very much, Stephen. So let's roll on to the chart and see what is so amazing, and I'll get back to you on that. Let me mute my okay guys, so I was just trying to mute my notifications. Let me mute my notifications so that we can start now. Okay, so let's start. Now this is so amazing. In our VIP group, we had some trades yesterday. We had some trades, and you can see we have it on the charts over here. Now let's look at, first of all, pound AUD. Let's look at pound AUD, what is happening and what we are expecting to happen in the near future. Now let's go from the weekly time frame. Now with the weekly time frame, this is the whole pattern. So this is the whole pattern. You can see over here, XABC. This is actually going to form either a shark or cipher pattern, right? So this is the whole pattern. Okay, this is the whole pattern forming a shark or cipher pattern. This big pattern, XA, BCD, break of market structure forming the BCD. Now, when between the patterns, so from the C to the D, we had something. Let's go to the lower time frame. So let's move to daily and see what is happening. So now we had a pattern formation over there. Let me check the type of pattern that we had over here. So from here, we had more or less like an alternative bat pattern, which ended at 113. Okay, let me take off the backgrounds so that you see it. Yeah, so we had an alternative bat pattern. It ended at what? Sorry, this is a shark pattern because the C crossed the A. So we had a shark pattern over here. Okay, we had a shark pattern over here. Now, after this formed the impulsive move. Then we had a triangle Elliott wave correction. Okay, so we had an A, B, C, D, E. Now, let's look at what happened over here. Now, there was a break of the trend line and it came to retest over here. Now, forming the retest, something amazing happened. So you can see that as it broke this one, went back as a retest and it came down. Now, this formed the impulse wave and it's forming a correction. Now, the way the correction went up and is coming down, here from B to C, I'm expecting a sell move of pound AUD this morning till the end of the day. I'm expecting more sells over here. Now, there's a break of the trend line over here, right? There's a break of the trend line. So once there's a break, maybe we are going to have a flat correction, somewhat like this, and break down to complete the C leg at 88.6 or 78.6 fib level. Now, once it gets this, I'm expecting a buy move to complete the D, forming a flat correction, which will form ABC flat correction like this. It will form a Gatling pattern. Then we are going to have a big sell move. So the whole sell move will then go towards the bigger pattern that we had. So once this one complete, the Gatling pattern complete, sorry, we are going to have a very big sell move, which will align with our original trend, which is this bigger pattern over. So we are going to have the sell move all the way down to the end of this pattern to complete. Okay, so look out for more sells after being formed on lower time frame. So here we are just expecting a sell move. We are just expecting a sell move over here. Then we would look for a buy move to complete the flat correction after the impulsive move. Then over here at the Gatling pattern, we are going to see a sell move. So you should just follow the pattern, look at what is happening, just follow the pattern. I'll share it in my Telegram group. So if you've not joined the Telegram group, I'm dropping the link in the description box or the chat room so that you can also join. You can also join from, let me share it over here on YouTube. Let me share it over here on YouTube. Okay, so I just said, so I've said the mentorship page. Make sure you would you look for the discussion page in the mentorship page and try and join the chat room. Okay, just try and join the chat room from there, from the mentorship page. I just pinned the message for that. Okay, so look for, once this one pushes up a little, look for more buy move to the 88.6 or 78.6 fib level. Then we are going to have a big move forming AB equals CD pattern in the Gatling pattern over here. If you've done STR strategy, you know that harmonics is the main structure, and we use the Elliott wave correction. The B, we get it from smart money concept. So we have the harmonic pattern, we have the Elliott wave corrections, the zigzag, flat, and triangle. Then we have the B forming the smart money from the smart money concept. So we are going to sell to the C. Then from there, when it gets to this zone, which is the demand zone. We are going to buy all the way to 78.6, forming a Gately pattern, because the break of market structure, let me see. So the break of market structure happened over here. That caused the B leg. So originally, harmonic pattern, the father of modern day harmonic pattern, which is Kotkani, he didn't include, he wasn't able to come out with the fact that B should be the breakout of market structure. From my 13 years experience on the market, I've realized that most harmonic patterns fail because you don't pick the right B. Now, with my research over 13 years on the market, I've realized that harmonic patterns are very perfect when the B is being caused by the break of market structure from smart money concept. So please make sure anytime you want to identify B, the B should be a break of market structure, and that is how you can get a perfect harmonic pattern. So take it from me. This is from Dr. Harmonics. Make sure your B is always from the break of market structure. Now, once you get the B from break of market structure, most likely your harmonic pattern is going to work. Okay, so take it from me. And we are going to saw the way to the C leg. Then we'll get to the D leg before we have the big sell. So you can join along the trend. Once you have a pullback over here, maybe there should be a pullback. So we'll have it like this. Even within the pattern, you can have an Elliott wave over here. So you have from here, you have wave 1, 2. This one maybe it might form a flat correction, then give us another wave 5 here. Then maybe we'll have ABC like this, right? Then you start with 1, 2, maybe 3, 4, 5, like this. Okay, so this is how maybe it's going to happen, right? So just you can put your stop loss over here. Then once it pushes up a little, you can sell all the way to this level, to the 78, target the 78, okay, 78 or 88.6. And once you have a divergence around here and a break of the trend, then you can buy to the D 78.6 to form a Gately pattern. Okay, so it's most likely it's going to form a Gately pattern. Either a Gately, Shark, or Cypher, any of them, you can get it over here. Then you can sell all the way. The sell over here will be very long term. Okay, so watch out for that with pound AUD. Okay, now let's look at the next one. Please, if this is your first time visiting my channel, don't forget to subscribe, because we have quality content, quality analysis that will blow your mind, that can turn your forex trading results around. Okay, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at Dr. Harmonics or at Good Forex Institute _ on Instagram. Okay, and join my Telegram group so that you can enjoy all this free analysis over there. Okay, and I'm showing you very powerful analysis from the STR strategic course. Okay, now let's look at NZD-JPY. So NZD-JPY yesterday, those in my Telegram group, they had a very good test of the market, how impatient they can be. Like, you know, I'm a swing trader, and sometimes the market does not go, I mean, the market will always not go in a straight line. So I told them, listen, when this thing was forming, now, yesterday in the VIP group, we picked a buy over here. It went up. We had a divergence around here. Now, I think on the lower time frame or so, let me check. Yes, so this was it. So we had a divergence at the C leg, which created a change of direction, right? So we had a divergence which brought about a change of direction. Okay. I think it was somewhat like this. So that brought the change of direction. Now, when the trend broke, we called a buy. So we called a buy after the break of the trend, and we were in good profit. All of a sudden, we saw a very deep correction. And guys, people were loading. Oh, come on. This is an Elliott wave. You see, that's why I told you that STR strategy is very powerful, because at every point in time, you will know what is happening. Okay. Now, this was an expanding triangle in Elliott wave. This is it. Let me show you guys. Okay, let me move to the 5 minutes chart and show you guys something. So we had this, you see. So we had an A, B, C, D, E. So A, B, C, D, E, right? Now, if you've done STR, you know what this is. You know what this is, A, B, C, yeah. So this was the impulsive move, and we had ABC. In fact, I even updated, let me share the Telegram group. I even updated in some of the Telegram group. I told you guys yesterday, over here, I updated it. Or is it the VIP group? I think I updated it in one of the groups. Okay. So I think it's the VIP. Yeah, so this was it. I told you guys that this was forming. So don't panic. After you bought over here, it was pulling back. So I told you guys that it was going to form A, B, C, D, E, then it will push up, okay? So if you had listened to it, you would have bought after the breakout here, or from this area, you would have bought and you would have made some profit thereof, okay? And I've made some profit thereof. So that was what happened. It caused the E here and it broke. Now it broke and it came to retest this zone and it's going up. So please, if you are in the VIP group, hold on with the NZD. The patient that you held your trade and it traced back, our stop loss was below the C and you traced back to this level. Have that same patience for it to hit your take profit 1 year, okay? At the B level, you understand that STR. Then your second would be what is forming the whole pattern, which is going to form, which pattern is it forming? Cipher pattern, 61. So take profit 2 is a cipher pattern. You know that. So this is it. I take profit 1 is here, which will be at what, 85.538. Everything, every signal we give is very, very like there is a plan to whatever we are doing over here. We don't just give signals. We go through a lot to drop one signal. So any signal from Dr. Harmonics, I don't expect you to trade on demo account. That is why I will not give signals to everybody. I'll give chart direction to free chart analysis to those in the general group. But once you find the account, I would want you to trade my signals, okay? Someone was telling me, where can he get my signals to trade on his demo account? What? Do you know what we go through developing one trade setups? We do a lot of research and other stuff. So please, my signals are not being traded on demo account. Okay, so this is your first take profit, and your second take profit is the D. Okay. Now, AUD JPY to the same thing. This is amazing, guys. Now, we had a buy over here. Our stop loss was below here. Now, we had the buy over here. Okay. So it went, there was a deep correction. People were freaking out. Corrections, see, the market will never go in a straight line. It will never go in a straight line. So it's correcting to the take profit one. Remember in the signal group, this is the take profit 1B, and the second take profit, let me see the pattern that is forming. It's okay, so this one too is forming a Gately pattern at D. So once I hit this, look out for smashing the take profit too. So from here to here, let me see the number of pips from here to here. So we have about almost 100 pips here, 99.8 pips that we are grabbing with this trade. The previous one that we did, the NZD-JPY. So NZD-JPY, so that one too, we are in 41. So we are targeting first take profit 84.4 pips, and second one, so 110 pips for this trade. Okay, 110. Now, Euro JPY, unfortunately, this one, the pullback was so huge. Our stop loss was too close. It hit it, but I should have updated you guys to move the stop loss to maybe this zone, okay? Should have moved it to this zone because it formed an ABC zigzag correction, and I was not there to update it. So sorry, guys. This one, I think our stop loss was around here. It hit it, but we should have pulled it. We should have left it around this level because this was the previous support zone. Okay, because our entry was somewhere around here. Should have waited for pullback. But hey, the structure is still in place. Here was another perfect place to enter a trade. So when you get a pullback around here, you can join the buy. Once you have a pullback around here, you can join the, because this wave 1, 2, so it's going for wave 3, 4, 5. Now, let's look at the whole pattern which is forming. So this is the pattern which is forming. There is a lot of buy. So you can even join the buy over here. Yes, you can even join the buy, and we are targeting the D zone, okay? You can even join the buy to the D zone. So there's it, there's it. I even join the buy, this is it. So we are heading towards this take profit 1. Okay, the take profit 1 would have been here. Now take profit 2, which pattern is it for me? Let's look at the pattern. I told you guys that whenever there is a break of market structure, harmonics is very difficult to fill. Okay, so Scott Carney and the rest, you can say that they developed harmonic pattern, but Dr. Harmonics defined harmonics that really works. You understand? So there are a lot of harmonic patterns. Some fail, but once you're able to develop the right harmonic, you're able to pick out the best harmonic patterns. It really works. Okay. Now, so we have 50. That means that it's going to 88.6. The B is able to determine harmonic patterns that will work or it will not work. So the B is very, very important in harmonic trading. The B. Okay, so the first take profit was supposed to be here. So from here, the first take profit is here. The second take profit is going to 88.6. There is an AB equals CD, and then so it's going to 88.6. So look out for that. So look out for that, okay? Okay, so this guy is so good on the chart, John Owusu. Thank you very much. Elzingi Media, I'll check the Euro pound for you. I'll check it for you. Okay. So let's look at the next pattern. Let's look at the rest. USD JPY. Oh my God, guys, this is freaking amazing. This is STR strategy. It's freaking amazing. Patience will always make the market. This is so amazing. Like, oh my God. So we had our so this was the signal. Let me show you the signal yesterday on. That is why you should be in the VIP group, guys. I'm missing a lot in the VIP group. Let me show you what's happening. So this was the signal NZD JPY. So this NZD JPY buy, right? And this was it. We're expecting to hit here. You can see pound USD. We're expecting the sell. I'll update you on that. Now this one was the. Let me check. Okay, so this AUD JPY. Look at where we bought it. We bought it around it. So we're waiting for the break. The break happened and we're buying it over here. Okay. The same with UJ. This AUD JPY, right? Okay. So this was it where we took the trade and we were expecting to hit this level. Now this was the signal. The signal was, I think this was the signal. Okay. Now this was UJ. Okay, so we took the trade. I think it was around here. Before a day before, I think we picked the buy trade around here. But during the signal group, I picked it over here and I said it was going to go all the way here. Okay, so this was the signal for that. You can see everything. Everything is documented and you can see. That is why the mentors that really, I mean, the guys, the real traders don't make noise. We don't make a lot of noise, but we know what we are doing. And I don't know what else to say to do the STR strategy course. It's so freaking amazing. Like 13 years on the market, and I'll be able to develop this. Even the inverter of harmonic patterns was not able to define the break of market structure and all those things. Me combining smart money with harmonics and Elliott Wave has been the greatest thing, the greatest asset for me as a trader. And trust you me, this is one of the best strategies you can ever have on the market. And it gives you the relaxation to trade. The risk management aspect is on point. Come on, follow who know road and you will see everything that is happening over here. So look at what's happening. So we are having the buy. So we pick it around here. So prior to that, the day before at the trading floor, we picked the first trade over here, but the signal we picked it around here and it's follow who know road. So we are following that road to there. So this was take profit one, the one that we picked it here. Okay, so we do a trend line here. That means I should follow this trend line. Okay, this is the second trend line. So if it should break to come here, but I'm expecting to hit all the way to the D. And let me see, we are going to make some good money from here. So from here to here, that's about, wow, that's about 419 pips. That's about 419 pips. So that's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Idri, check pound JPY, check pound JPY. I'm freaking going to check it up for you. Pound JPY, I'll check that one for you. Yeah, so we are on pound JPY. So pound JPY, this is it. This is it. It's also, wow, amazing, guys. It's freaking amazing. So this pound JPY. Now it came down, we had this pound JPY, we had this. Okay, so we had this. Now, break of market structure, okay. Then we had an ABC correction to the downside. Now, even within here, there was a harmonic pattern over. How did we know that a C is going to end over here? Now, let me blow your mind with something. Let me blow your mind. Let me blow your mind. So even there was a smaller harmonic pattern in the bigger harmonic pattern. Those who have done STR know that. So this is 61. So we are expecting it to hit 78.6, which will form a Gadley, and that is exactly where we had our C breakout. Okay. So even within that, there was another harmonic pattern that formed within. So I always know whatever I'm doing when I give signals. There might be little glitches here and there, but come on, you smile at the end of the day, okay? So just follow who no road. And this is a harmonic pattern in a bigger harmonic pattern, okay? So I drew this thing when it was actually coming to the sea. So I knew I can show you in the group. Let me show you. We draw the harmonic patterns even before it will form. I think I had it. Let me see the chat room. Let me see. So I think I had it. Let me see the Gold Forex Institute chat room. Okay, so this was the pound USD. Okay, let me check. Okay, so this was the other trade. Let me look for where it was about to fall. Pound USD. This is what? Okay, so this pound JPY, you can see. I told you guys about it, and it's happening. Okay, so it was pound JPY, right? So this was it. Yeah, what you saw was what I was telling you about. What you saw was what I was telling you about. When it was about to fall, we knew it was going to fall. Okay, so it came all the way. I think I saw it previously. So this was the pound JPY. And gold, when we caught the sell, we caught the sell at the top over here. The sell is falling all the way down. This was NZD JPY. We caught the sell at the top. I'm looking for, okay, USD. Okay, so look at this. Look at the pound JPY. Now, when it was coming down, we knew that it was coming here, and I showed you guys exactly where it's going to buy to the top. And that is what is happening now. That's what is happening now. We knew it was going to come here and buy all the way to the top, and that is what is happening. So if you had bought over here now, you would have been how many pips? That would be like so from here we had it around here. So from here to here is about 334 pips, and it's heading towards 461 pips. Amazing. This is STR strategy. Every day on the chart should be very, very important to you. Okay, so imagine having one lot over here. From here to here, that's 4,460 something, over 4,460 something dollars. Okay, and that's just few days. That's just few days. So what we need right now is a break of this trend. We just need a break over here. Wow. Wow. One guy said, I've recovered all my money back. Wow, that's amazing. That's amazing. Wow. Charlie, guys, someone in the VIP group, look at this. He said he has recovered all his money back. I don't know if you can see over here. And just with my signals, it's freaking amazing. What I'm seeing over here, you guys should. Anyway, and that is the joy. Like the joy I have is how I'm able to impart into people's life, and they're able to make a lot of money. Anyway, so just this break, after this break, you should look for more buying opportunities. So once this one break, look for more buying and put your stop loss below here. Put your stop loss below here. Look for more buying opportunity. You can bring your stop loss here. Once it breaks, you buy, and your take profit, your first take profit should be here, should be exactly at the B level, right? At the B level, and your second take profit should be at the D level, okay? So this is the next trade for pound JPY. This is the next trade for pound JPY, okay? USD, Euro USD. Now, this is what's going to happen. This is the whole scenario. It's not part of my portfolio, but this is the whole scenario. Now, let's look at let's look at this chart. So what's happening is that from here to here, now this is the whole thing for Euro USD. This ended at 78.6. It didn't tie the 88.6. So that means I'm expecting AB equals CD pattern, and 78.6. Yes, this was a break of market structure from this impulsive move. Now that means that it's coming to 1.272 to form a bat pattern, right? To form a bat pattern. So that means that look at this formation too. So wave 1, 2, 3, maybe there should be a pullback. So there should be a buy opportunity over here. Then it will close over here. Okay. But what I'm going to say is that with Euro USD, it should be sold by us till it gets here. We are going to see a very good buy here. Okay. So it's more or less this. There were so many breaks over here. You can see there were so many breaks. Now, if this one should break, that means that it's going to sell all the way to this level. Okay. Now 1, 2, maybe here will be 3, 4, and to go down to maybe 161. But look for a sell opportunity to hit the 1.272 fib level, which will be at 0.97618. That, take it from me, dollar is going to be stronger than the euro. Take it from me, dollar is going to be stronger than the euro. Dollar will exceed the euro for a long time. I don't think it has even happened before. Let me see. Yes. Let me see. Yeah. So, oh, okay. So it has happened several times. We've had the euro here. It has happened several times. So dollar is going to exceed the euro. Dollar will be stronger than euro. So if you have euro, so if you have dollars, please buy more dollar because dollar is going to be strong. Now the DXY has still not completed. It's going to end at 1.618. So until then, we are buying the dollar for a very long time. Okay, so the DXY, which is the dollar index. Let's look at the dollar index. Now, the dollar index, this 88. So basically, it's going to 1618. That means that we are going to buy the dollar till the dollar gets to this point. Okay, which will give us a deep crab pattern. We are going to get a deep crab pattern from this. So we are going to get a deep crab pattern from this. Deep crab all the way to here. Okay, so expect the DXY to reach 113.05.75. Okay, this is where the DXY is going. There is AB cos CD component in that, and take it from me, the dollar is going to be strong for wow. Okay, pound USD has so let me go to the 4-hour time frame and give you. So pound USD is almost at the take profit. Okay, now this is what is happening. Okay, there's still no break of market structure here, so we are still going to see a pound USD. Wow, this guy is freaking amazing. I'm really, really impressed. I'm really, really, really impressed. I'm really, really impressed, guys. This guy has made a lot of money. Okay. So you should expect more sell from pound USD. Okay, so AB, there was an Elliott wave correction. I was expecting this Elliott wave correction to pull all the way here, but it didn't, and it broke. So we are expecting more sells all the way to this level. So expect pound USD to sell up to 1.18222, 1.18222. Okay, there's it. Now, one thing is you also now the DXY was the driving force for the yen index. So DXY is going to 814.7. That means that the yen is going to fall to this level 8.14.7. Okay, so don't trade anything. Don't buy anything. Sorry, don't sell anything XSSJPY. Anything XSSJPY, don't sell. Okay, anything XSSJPY, don't sell. Don't sell anything XSSJPY. Okay, because the yen is very, very weak. It's selling all the way to 814.7. Okay, so this is the gauge. I mostly trade dollar pairs and yen pairs. Okay, YouTube guys, someone requested for euro pound. Let me check. Okay, guys, so my trading floor is on the Spinters Road, Gold Forex Institute. So Gold Forex Institute, I'm the CEO of Gold Forex Institute. Gold Forex Institute is one of the oldest forex institutes in Ghana. It was established around 2017, yeah, early part of 2017. And we're on the Spinters Road, Kakalika Plaza. Okay, it's one of the biggest forest institutes in Ghana. So you are welcome to Gold Forest Institute. And now, so this is basically that. Let's look at so let's look at, what is it, euro pound. Someone requested for euro pound. Let me see whether I'll get any analysis on it. Okay. Euro pound is not a perfect, it's not a perfect setup for me. Come on, look at this. It's not a perfect setup, but it is what it is. There is something happening over here. So there is a break of market structure here, right? Let me check. So let me check here. There's a break of market structure. We want to, so let me check. Now there is a break of market structure here. Retest. So what's going to happen? Let's wait and see whether we are going to have a break of the trend line here. Yes, it's broken. Let's give it a more break. Let's look for divergence. Okay, we didn't get divergence actually. Now let me look at the fib level for this point and see whether it will. 50, so we are going to 88. If this should work, so we are going to 88. We can look for a buy or for this trade. If this should break out, yeah, it's broken. Guys, I think we should join this. We should join the buy for this trade. And so this, I'll be looking for this one. So let's wait for the 1 hour the current candle to break. Okay, let's wait for the current candle to break because there's a break of market structure. So let's wait for the current candle to break. Once it's broken or once it closes. So the current candle, let's wait and see whether it will close above here. Then we can buy. It's a swing trade, so we'll put our stop loss below here or maybe here. Okay, let's put our stop loss. Let's go to the lower time frame to see what is happening. Okay, guys, it's broken. Guys, it's broken. So you can call for the buy trade once the candle closes, or you can wait for it to close above this candle. So once the candle closes, you can put your stop loss below the previous supports and you buy all the way to this level. So take profit one will be on the fib level that caused the break of market structure. Let me look for it. That's this level, this price. This. So let me take off the background. Okay. So take profit one would be at the fib level that caused the break of market structure, which is here. Okay, so this take profit one. Once it breaks, this take profit one, and take profit two is going all the way to this level. Okay, so let's look for this trade. It's going to be amazing. Let's look for the buy for this trade. Let's wait for the 1 hour candle. I'll call it in my VIP group. Thanks for the head up. It looks interesting. Let me look at the long-term view. Okay. Okay. So let's look for a buy opportunity. Once it breaks, when the candle closes above, after so from 9 a.m. GMT, once it closes above, you should look for buy opportunity, put our stop loss here and ride it all the way to take profit one. Take profit, okay. So it is what it is. Let me add it to my portfolio here. Ready now? Okay. Okay, guys. Okay. So I almost closed this trade, but you said we should hold it now. You are very right. It's working as predicted. Okay, thank you, thank you, thank you. Steady from thank you very much. Thank you. And anything I say, if the trade will fail, I'll know. Like gold, I saw gold failing. I was expecting a slight buy before the drop, but it didn't go. It continued the drop. I knew the overall trend was a drop, but I was expecting a slight buy before. But hey, it is what it is. So it is what it is. So guys, someone is calling me. I'm having a Zoom live video session. So guys, it is what it is. If you've not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Smash on the like button, press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. And please, the upcoming Smart Forex trading call, don't forget to join us at Gold Forex Institute, where we are going to is for beginners and intermediate. If you are already trading and you need a strong how do you call it, basics of the forex market, you can join. If you want to learn how to trade without emotions, you can join. If you want to learn how to calculate your risk perfectly, you can join. Okay. If you want to learn about price action trading, you can join. But if you want to learn the way I analyze with the STR strategy calls, then after that, you can move on to do the perfect STR strategy course. And the Smart Forex trading course is absolutely free. The STR strategy course is free. You can learn it from my YouTube channel through my chat. There are people who have not done the STR strategy course, but they are really okay, guys. So there are people who have not done the STR strategy course, okay, but they are really learning from my analysis, okay. So there are people who have not done the STR strategy course, but they really learn on the chart from my analysis. So it's absolutely free on YouTube or my, but if you want to pay me for my time, it's basically, I think it's 1,500 Ghana cedi. The dollar is going up, so we might increase it to 2,000 because the dollar is really going up. My time should be worth it. You are not paying for the course, you are paying for my time. Okay, so guys, if you've not done the STR strategy, it's an opportunity for you. The next STR strategy will be the first week of September. The first week of September, that will be the STR strategy course. So please don't forget to join the STR strategy course. That will be first week of September. It's just it's $160 or 1,500. I might review it to 2,000 Ghana cedis. I don't know for now, but for now it's still 1,500 Ghana cedis. Okay. But the Smart Forex trading course is absolutely free, so you are free to join. It will be a face-to-face. Those in Ghana will enjoy the benefit. We've not been getting much patronization from the online side because people want to have that physical interaction with the mentor. So when there's more demand for online STR or people book in advance, then we might want to do the online session. Okay. So guys, it is what it is. It is what it is. My name is Dr. Harmonics. If this is your first time visiting this channel, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button so that the video can be recommended through the YouTube algorithm, and press on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload my next video. I want to see, are there any questions from you guys? I think there are no more questions. So thank you very much. My name is Dr. Harmonics, your favorite mentor, CEO of Gold Forex Institute, and see you in my next video. I'm out. Please, I'll be meeting you guys at the trading floor very soon. So catch you there in a jiffy.